Alright guys, IDB, your guy Big Tank, the hero now. Alright, so this video now, we want link from one page, enter another page. You get one link from one page, enter another page. You know the enter Sky website to be like see as you enter the website like this now, I say I come Wikipedia now. As I enter now, so I click on English. I might not click English there. I see I type something like Ronaldo. I enter big Ronaldo. So now when that big Ronaldo now, you see all this link they'll be like there for this place now. So all these blue things now, they are link now. If I type on it, if I click it Milan, you see I say it can become another page here. If I click AC Milan, it can become AC Milan. I can say okay, make I click Boca Juniors now. It can become Boca Juniors page. You see the things they carry me the good different page now. So they carry me the good different page now. They link from page to page now. And that's now one learn how you fit the link from this HTML page now go on another HTML page now. Now one learn. You know since now this our now just this page now they use since now till they work. So now I want create another page now. The more link from this page go that page. They will see link for that page on this page now. So to do that thing now, so the tag where you use the do the tag where you do now the anchor tag. The tag where you do now the anchor tag. So my coin and my specify. I'll just say I'll say H1 anchor tag. H1 anchor tag. So if I come here run now, so I say it is show anchor tag here. So what I want to know be say I say by the anchor tag now just A. This I tell you before now the first letter of the word A. So if I come here now, this one get closing tag to this enough here. So when I say A like this now slash A, inside now correct something, I say go to next page. Or obviously go the other room. No that matter now. I feel say go the other room now. So if I come here now, if I refresh now, you see I see it don't come outside. But as it come outside like this now, I not fit do anything. I supposed to fit click on this thing now and it'll carry me go the other room now. So now what make this if I not click on it because this anchor tag now, so it still get the attributes. It gets the attribute where be like say if we put out for here now, I go fit make us now fit click go on that place. And the attribute now href that be the attribute now. This href now it stands for how do you call it? Hypertext reference. Hypertext reference. This anchor tag they call a hyperlink. So sometimes you just can't guys start testing a hyperlink. Now this is not the talk. They need to talk of any big grammar for there. Now see this anchor tag they talk of. So now hyperlink now be. So this href now it stands for hypertext reference. So what you go do now? This href, anything we put for here now, any web page we specify now, this web page now the thing will go. So if I come here now, so I go call. I'll just say okay, go the other room now. See other room. .html. So if I come here now, you see I see the thing that the blue now. You see it does show blue. So meaning if I click on to go the other room. If I click on her, it tell me say file not found. What make it be like that? Now because see I never create the HTML file now for this other room. I need to create the HTML file for this other room now so that I go enter there. So I'm doing quickly now. I'll close my project folder here now. So this one the H. Not before I set to for this HTML now. So I go right click now. Then I go say new file. So this new file now I'll say other room. Now the B now you must put your extension which is HTML other room. So now I don't create the other room now. So I'll just quickly create my markup. This one I just stand to say I never seen before. Now I want plug it called Emmet. I will show you the plugin later. I'll just download that one. I did for bracket, did for Atom, did for Sublime Text. So I go show now. More now know how the thing dey work. So now see welcome to the other room. Welcome to the other room. So now this other room now, just come here now, I'll put each one. I'll come here now, specify each one. Or specify each one. I want to abilize another talk here for this my tutorial. You see the way I use small letter since. If I use capital letter, not saying no go work, it go still work. If I use capital letter to run now, Marvel to an missing. If I use capital letter to run now, the thing will still work. If I can now say the this is the other. This is the other room. You see when I refresh now, the thing does show this is the other room. You see now. So this H1 is still the work. This H1 is still the work. Based on saying a capital letter self, is still the work. But normally now for everybody website now, you go add this person like say this capital letter. Let's say that guy just start the business today and I blow the hot. So I'll call you now use small letter. And if I use small letter now, which is the normal thing now, you see, I see everything do legit. You see, I see everything do legit. So now, what I go do be say, I'll come here and I'll create another. But also we need to go back now. I'll not close this thing now, safe. But also we need to go back. I'll come here. I'll create another anchor tag. So I go say A. I'll close on. But also we did the other room now. I'll walk back to the parlor now. So I'll come here now. I'll say index.html. Based on say now this document now they call index and the name of the document now would specify. So the name of the document now would specify. If you look this one now, so now the name of the documents now will specify for here. And I want to see they do for this other side now. So I'll call this place now. I'll say go back to the parlor. Go back to the parlor. So if I refresh now, you see I say just say go back to the parlor. If I click now, it don't carry me come here. If I click now, it don't carry me come here. You see as I do now, I just they click, it they carry me, they go to the other place. Even this one now, self, I feel create another because I go like say it go link me here to person website. It go link me to person website. I feel just say me okay, my link out to my face and say go to face. Let me face me and face you. Go to Facebook. So I'll come here now and say href, which cybertext reference. I'll say facebook.com. You see, they accept browser. I say browser. See, they accept website domain for you now. They accept the domain name facebook.com. So if I come here refresh now, go to Facebook now. What you do? I'm not write this thing well though. Okay. www. What's that you do so? Open never I. See. Check define capital. Sure. No, new one. It's supposed to work. Oh, but this is the format like this. So. http://facebook.com. Okay. I not write the link where before. I not write where before. I just go put www.facebook.com. I'm not supposed to do one like that. I'm supposed to put this HTTPS now because in our website like I see online. This HTTPS now protocol. Maybe one would advance or one would go far and I will create tutorial like I'll teach you on the protocol. They get FTP, you get HTTP, and that's kind of advanced stuff. So I need to write a like for it to come outside. So you see I say for our website like so they create like this now. So I feel say go to facebook.com now. You see how say they go Facebook direct. You see how so the thing don't work now. So take note of that stuff. So the thing will for my just now self a go passer. So that go to be say I'll just delete this guy. Man, not see him again. So when I delete her now, if I refresh, go back to the parlor. You see how say things don't work now. So the next tutorial now, what I go do be say I go just create some kind of small stuff. It go be like navigation, some kind of small list now. Or in fact, more alone I do one. What I want to do for me now, so I'm giving homework to this self. I'm gonna do this homework for me. What I go do be say, I'll create like four lists now for inside this place. 4 lists for here. So the first list now, feel be like home. The first one feel be like home. If you come here now, so you go say okay, you create the first list home. Now go write it like this, so make sure so you put up for list item. As you wrap up for list item, then you wrap your anchor tag inside the list item. So the first one at home, the second one at contact, the third one na services. While the fourth one are just gallery. We'll put it like that. So do it such a way that when you click on home, now you can go home page. If you click on contact, you can go contact. Service, you can go service. If you click on gallery, you can go gallery. And for inside gallery, if you just click, you can go any of all these pages where they are now. So make that one homework. On the line, on spy, on the line, on do expo, on a sabi. And then the market kind of assignment. So if you're not doing yourself now, you do. All my own websites, I want just me on learn this thing. Because say I don't get church my small. So now so you see the link from different page now. They carry from one page now, they go on that page, and I hear what ends up because they my video now that the long. So I say me your guy big tank for the double sat, and you know the be now. If you like the video, subscribe. Maybe you like the video where. If you don't like the video, in fact, that dislike button one of the same one not click on. Just the form like say that's not there. The form like say that's not there because if you click and the thing will like automatically. So just like the video share, see tell people about the channel so that you could move. Nobody won't learn, other people they won't learn. So still let them know say it up for double sat. I still remain your loyal boy. So I could see now for the next tutorial. Bye bye.